Model IC-730. This is the 10 through 80 meter solid state HF transceiver. This was quite the workhorse for the Icom line. Very stable transceiver throughout the years. I believe in the early to mid 80s, and used for mobile use, of course, and also for base. This particular one is sat for over 10 years. It came from an estate, and did not come with a power cord. It did come with this manual here, which is kind of covered in plastic, but the radio is not working. Also, there's no microphone, so if you this is for parts only, this radio. It does not work properly. So I'll show you what it does. Go ahead, and I've got it hooked up to, I used one of my Icom power cords, and I'll turn it on here, and you can, I don't know if you can hear, but I'll go ahead and so you can hear it's got a little audio, but there's no signal coming in. That's lower sideband, upper sideband, narrow and wide CW. In any case, there's just no signal coming in. Now the VFO turns like it's supposed to. It goes through the different bands. As you can see, there's 40 meters, 80 meters, so forth. The IF shift changes the pitch on the audio. I don't know if the preamp does anything or not, or any of these things, but it does transmit. I've got it into a dummy load. Now there's no transmit output, but it does. You can see the relay is keying. Maybe out of band here actually, so apologize for that, but there we go. Try that again. But I am in the dummy load. Just not getting any output on the meter, and so not sure why. Also, no receive. So this is for parts only. Maybe you're a technician and you can fix something like this. I certainly cannot. But physically, it's not too bad. It's not perfect. Somebody's added a little deal here. Used to be maybe a hole there for something to tune inside the radio. I'm not sure. There can be an optional marker unit for these. This one does not have that. But other than that, good for parts at least. The Icom IC-730 HF transceiver.